Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today, let's immerse ourselves in the gentle embrace of nature as we explore the beauty of sun-kissed landscape. With each stroke of the pencil, we breathe life into the vibrant hues of the sun, casting its warm glow upon the lush bushes that dance in the gentle breeze. As we delicately sketch the contours of the sun, its radiant beams extend overwards, illuminating the world with a sense of boundless energy and warmth. Each pencil stroke, we are not just drawing, we are capturing a moment of connection with the earth, feeling the pulse of life emanating from every line. The sun becomes more than just a celestial body. It's a beacon of hope and renewal, casting its golden light upon the world below. As we immerse ourselves in the artistic journey, let us remember the simple yet profound beauty that surrounds us every day, waiting to be discovered and cherished. Each leaf of the bushes comes alive under our fingertips, their verdant shades intertwining to create a tapestry of natural beauty. Join me as we journey through the circle of nature's embrace where every line tells a story of tranquility and serenity. So, come along with me on this circle of nature's drawing where art and the earth converge in a timeless dance of creation and inspiration. Until then, keep creating, keep watching, and keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.